If you're seeing the MSN HTTP Error 400, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to fix it without wiping your entire browser history or losing saved passwords for other sites. Instead of clearing everything, we're going to remove only the corrupted MSN data that's causing the problem. This is a much safer approach, and in most cases, it gets MSN working again in just a few minutes. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge and go to msn.com, even if the page is showing the 400 or 404 error. The goal here is not to ignore the error, but to access the site settings tied specifically to MSN. Once the page is open, look at the far left side of the address bar. In Chrome, you should see a padlock icon, and in Edge, you may see the tuning sliders icon. Click that icon to open the site information menu. From there, choose cookies and site data, or in some versions, site settings. Then select Manage Cookies and Site Data. You'll usually see one or more MSN-related domains listed there. Click the trash can icon next to any MSN domain or related site entry to remove only that site's stored data. This step is important because a corrupted cookie or broken session file is often what keeps triggering the HTTP 400 error loop. After deleting those entries, refresh the page by pressing F5 or clicking the reload button. If MSN opens normally now, then the issue was just bad site data and you're good to go. But if the error is still there, the next step is to test whether your regular browser session is the problem. Open a private browsing window by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and N on your keyboard. This opens an isolated session that does not use your normal cookies, cache, or saved site data. In that private window, go directly to msn.com again. If MSN loads perfectly in private mode, that's a strong sign that your main browser profile has corrupted cached data causing the HTTP 400 crash. In that case, you'll want to clear the browser cache more deeply. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This opens the Clear Browsing Data screen. Set the time range to all time, because partial cleanup may not remove the conflicting files. Then check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. These are the two most common sources of persistent website errors like this. Once everything is selected, click Clear Data. After that, completely close your browser, reopen it, and try MSN again. Restarting the browser is important because some cache files may stay active until the app fully closes. In many cases, that final restart is what makes the fix stick. If the site still gives you trouble after that, you may also want to sign out and back into your Microsoft account, or try checking whether extensions are interfering with the page. But for most users, deleting the MSN site cookies first, then clearing cache data if needed, will resolve the HTTP Error 400 problem. So to quickly recap, start by removing just the corrupted MSN cookies, test the site in an incognito or private window, and if necessary, do a full cache clear with all-time browsing data. This method protects your other passwords and saved sessions while targeting only the data that's causing the error. If this tutorial helped you fix MSN HTTP Error 400, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.